Alright, you guys can tell by the title of this video what it's going to be about, but I'm now officially a funded trader on TopStep, and I just want to talk to you guys real quick on what kind of helped me get to this accomplishment. Some people think this is easy, but I'm going to be honest, it was pretty difficult for me. It took 6 months. But I passed it in a true way with an actual strategy rather than just scalping and stuff like that. So basically, I I didn't blow an account. I just closed an account in drawdown because I was not ready. This is my second month into trading, or this was my second month into trading. I bought an account and I was up and I almost passed that account, but then I blew all those profits and more. And I was like, okay, I'm not ready for this. I didn't know what I was doing. I was gambling. And I took some time off. I developed a strategy. I backtested. I think that's the most important thing you guys can do is backtesting, because that's going to help you more than you can imagine. You guys can go to FX Replay for free. You can literally backtest for free. There's no excuse on why you guys shouldn't be backtesting. But that's something that really helped my growth. And this might be like, some people might disagree with me, but I had a vacation about 2-3 weeks ago. I went on a cruise, was not able to trade because the Wi-Fi wasn't good enough. So I had a week off, and honestly, it was awesome. I had a week off. I wasn't worried about, am I buying or selling today? I wasn't worried about any of that. And what I ended up doing that week is I was on a boat. I had Wi-Fi. I bought it intending to trade, but it didn't work. So I was rewatching my videos that I post, my trade recaps, and I was seeing what I was doing right and what I was doing wrong with my trades. And that's why everyone tells you to journal your trades, because it's probably one of the most beneficial things you could do. Knowing what you did wrong and why you lost that trade, or knowing what you did right and writing that down so you can go and look back, that helps you. Because if you lost a trade because you were too impatient, and you can find out like, oh, I lost that because I was impatient, like, that's huge. And so that's another thing. I suggest you guys journal. But yeah, I think some people also need to realize this is a marathon, not a sprint. You hear that all the time, I'm sure, but it is true. I would try to rush things. Like in the beginning, I was over risking, over leveraging, and it ultimately screwed me over because I was impatient. I was like, I want to make money now. I want to make money now. But when I took a break in December, I realized I want to do this. It might take me a year. It might take me 2 years, but I'm still going to do this. I'm going to stay true to it. And yeah. So here I am, 6 months from when I started. I passed my first account. I took my first win on this account on my first day. I'm up $540. I'm 4 more days away from my first payout. And yeah, I don't know what else to really say. It does kind of feel unreal. I think I've already said this, but some people might think this is just like something you should be able to do, or this is easy passing an eval, but I'm very proud of myself and I'm excited for what's to come. But all I want you guys to take away from this is just stick to it. I would say go all in, but like, you don't really have to. I mean, you can go all in and make this work even with a job. Like, I worked all weekend and I'm still doing this. I'm going to work all week and I'm still doing this. There should be no excuse. If you guys really want this, you should be able to do it. So I think I'm going to end the video here. Hopefully in a couple weeks, maybe a week or two, I'm posting a video about my first payout. When that does happen, I am going to tell you guys my entire journey in more detail. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, afternoon, night, whenever you're watching this. Make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't. I'm trying to go all in on this content. And yeah, I'll see you boys later.